Okay, this is a voltage drop test on the ground system on a 1990 Vanagon. This is a 100 amp load tester. It's for testing batteries. It's clamped there on the positive post of the alternator, and then it's connected to the chassis ground here. And when you press this button, it puts 100 amp load on it. For example, here it does that, pulls the battery down to 11 volts, 11 and a half. All right, so under the car, I have a vice grip here that's clamped on a starter mounting nut right there. And then it has an alligator clip, and a wire that goes out. Goes out to negative on this voltmeter. The voltmeter is set on 2 volts, so there's 0.00 volts. And if I ground this on the negative post, it's 7/100ths of a volt, 6. It'll drop down a little bit, but it's about 0. So we're going to push the button on the tester, and look, it goes up to 0.19 volts, about 0.2 volts. And that is the amount of voltage drop in the ground system, from here across that connector there, across that wire, down to where it attaches to the chassis, and then all the way up to the starter mounting bolt. Again, after I re-crimped here and here with this hammer crimping tool here. Okay, here it is in the crimper. I'm going to whack it. Another hit. Maybe I'll hit it again. So negative terminal to the body right here. We now have 0.05 volts from the negative terminal to the connector. 0 as before. Connector to the wire is 0 as before. The wire itself 0.01, and the wire to the crimp terminal 0.01, and terminal to the body 0.02. Well, anyway, that got rid of about a 1/10 of a volt. That's cool. Don't have to do it, but it's all fun.